Hello everyone and welcome back to techystack channel. So today we'll try to explore one more new topic. So this is a one of the error which we asked in the interview question. So in the interview he will give the task. So whatever the task, just assume that he give the task like this and he's saying that he is getting this error. So give that entire task to you and he want to resolve this error. So they not give any hints, just he give this code. This is the code. So this is a snippet of this code, and he mentioned that variables I have declared, all the things are working fine, but suddenly I got some errors. So the when you see here dictionary, this is a config. So here this is a config. So just assume by seeing looking this config, it's a dictionary. So the interviewer said, so this code is working fine, but unfortunately suddenly something happens. That the time it's not working the properly. So every time it's saying that we can see this is the error. So as an activity in the config, object references not is not said to be an instance of an object. So based on this error, we need to identify this. So generally, this is a variable which is as related to the dictionary. So when you go and check here dictionary, so the variable already has available. So config dictionaries as already is available. So now, if you know the answer, please try to what is the solution for this. So now here the only the simple the solution is, so he declared the variable but he not initialized it. So the variable has been declared but he not initialized that variable. So now what we need to do now, so we need to just take this as an activity. Okay, and the variable is config. So let me update this config, and here we need to initialize it. So new dictionary of string comma object. So why I taken string comma object? Because he already given this variable. So when I go and check here, so we can see this system dot collection dot generic dot dictionary string comma object. So this is the thing. So this step he might be the missed or might be interviewer he intentionally he deleted this line of the code. I mean a piece of the code, and he give the entered the code to you. So and he is asking me what is the issue of this here. So this is the way how we can to show the code to him. So now I will run this and we'll check whether it is working fine or not. So let me run. So previously when you try to run, so it got that error. So now I will run this again one more time, one more step. So now you can see this config. So when I check here config, so I have some data. Okay, in bit configure this one. So here one more thing we can observe when you're running this one. For example, you don't know nothing else. So here, but you don't know how to resolve that error also. So there is one more method, simply just step into. So I will show you one more method here, very simple. So just step into one more time. Okay, now. So generally the config, which is in the dictionary. So now if you check this config, it is a null. So based on that null, so this variable not initialized. So based on that output, so if you see here, config is null. If you see the above, so config which is having the dictionary of combination of string, key is the string and value is the object. So based on it, we can identify what type of this variable and what is the error occurring and how we can resolve this error. So this is two methods how we can resolve. One is directly we can check here, and based on that we can follow. For example, if you don't know what about these things, so you can just check in the immediate window and you can go to that.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.